Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some cloudy conditions across the region this morning. That'll quickly erode once we move in the late morning, and we'll see some partly cloudy conditions this afternoon. Also see some onshore flow today. Overall, however, we'll see tranquil conditions with no chance of precipitation or lightning, winds well under 25 knots, and in general we'll see fairly temperate temperatures in the upper 70s for today. Those temperatures will be on the rise for later this week. We're seeing a heat wave in store once we move from Wednesday through the weekend with some very hot conditions expected, and in general seeing dry conditions here for the next several days. So looking at our current observation of overcast deck at 2,100 feet, seeing area northeast winds at 12 knots, temperature at 74 degrees and relative humidity at 81%. And taking a quick look at our satellite imagery, you can see we do have that low-level cloud cover around 2,000 feet across the peninsula this morning. Quickly erode for this morning into the afternoon hours, seeing lots of sunshine and seeing some slightly warmer conditions with that sunshine giving us a little bit more heating. Moving into our HRRR model here for today, you can see those clouds really start to break up once we move in the late morning and the afternoon hours, seeing in general just some cirrus cloudiness across the region, and moving into the evening hours, going to see in general clear skies across the area with tranquil conditions. So looking at our risk chart for today, green chart across the board for the work hours today, high day around 79, low tonight of 64, and this will be the coolest condition we'll see for the overnight low for the next several days as we have that heat wave moving in for later this week. Also going to see a slight chance of patchy fog overnight with those light onshore winds, as well as seeing that relative humidity fairly high, so could be seeing some patchy fog develop overnight. But overall, for our 24-hour terminal forecast, once we move past about noon today, going to see VFR conditions, unless we do have that patchy fog overnight. But otherwise, looking like some really nice weather across the region for today into tomorrow, and our tides are running normal. Looking at Tuesday, we'll see partly cloudy and seasonable conditions, high 83 degrees, green chart across the board. Tuesday night, partly cloudy, mostly cleared, humid, low of 70. And for Wednesday, seeing those hot conditions starting to build in the region, partly cloudy and hot, high of 91 degrees. Heat indices will be around 95 to 100 degrees during peak conditions on Wednesday, but when we move into Thursday and Friday, really going to see that heat build in, with heat indices easily exceeding 100 degrees across the region. And we'll see that heat wave peaking looks like across the region for late into the week, into the early portion of the weekend. So we'll continue to monitor that as we move through the week. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. I'm back later on at 10 o'clock with the next 7 days.